A couple days ago, I made a video about an NFT project that was going to make a lot of people a lot of money. Turns out that's exactly what happened. Yesterday, the NFT project that I was talking about dropped, and over the span of one day, there has been over $15 million in transaction volume out and in. Not only that, but there's 10,000 items in this project. In order to buy the cheapest one, you would have to spend a little less than $3,000 now. So if you would have purchased one at pre-sale and not on the secondary market, you would have been able to buy that for about $300. So you would have 10x'd your money in the span of a day. So you may be wondering, how did I know that this project was gonna take off? How did I know that these NFTs were gonna be very expensive? And that's exactly what I'm gonna tell you in this video. So make sure to stick around for the entire video. I'm not gonna tell you to go and buy this NFT collection now because the price may be a little too high to get in unless you just got a couple $1,000s sitting around or a couple tens of thousands of dollars sitting around and like this project. I'm not gonna tell you to get into it because people have made their money, but what I will tell you is how I knew that this project was going to be valuable and how you could take that information to your next NFT project of interest and make some money in the future. So make sure to stick around, but let's get into it. So how did I know exactly this project was gonna take off? So let me start with what the project was. The project was PancakeSquad. Okay, so it was PancakeSwap's NFT collection, PancakeSquad. I talked about it in a previous video. The NFT marketplace for PancakeSwap just came out about a week ago, and that's when I made that video because they had their first collection. It was Pancake Bunnies. And the reason I knew this was gonna be so valuable was because of the barrier to access for the PancakeSquad release. What do I mean by that? Well, in order to get access to the pre-sale, not the secondary market, because anyone could buy on the secondary market, but the pre-sale, in order to get access to mint one of these NFTs, well, the cost of that was about $40,000 by the time I made my last video. You had to be holding one of 4 Pancake Bunnies, the previous NFT collection released by PancakeSwap, in order to get access to that pre-sale. The cost of those was at the minimum $44,000, and it went up to about $60,000 in order to get access to the PancakeSquad pre-sale and be able to mint one of the 10,000 items. The cost to mint was about $300, and like I said in the beginning of the video, now the cheapest PancakeSquad member is about $3,000, a little under $3,000 right now. I think it's sitting at about 6.5 BNB. Because people were willing to pay so much money to get access to this NFT collection, it just makes sense that the value of these PancakeSquad NFTs would be much higher. And it's not always monetary, the barrier to access for these NFT collections. I was actually interested in an NFT collection that was dropping. It was like a ninja collection, and I actually got access and minted 3 of them. The only reason I did this and paid the money that I did to get access and to mint these NFTs was because the only way to get access to mint to the pre-sale was to be very active in their Discord. And by very active, I mean spend about 40 to 50 hours being active in their Discord to get a certain status, a certain level in their Discord, then you could get access to mint. And I went into the Discord and I saw how many people were active in the community and how many people already got access, and it was already about 2,000 people who got access, who were willing to put in hours of just nonsense conversation in the Discord in order to get access to this NFT collection. Now, to mint this particular collection, it was 0.05 Ethereum. When I minted 3 of them, the floor price immediately rose. Right now, the floor price is about 0.1 Ethereum, but 2 of the 3 that I minted are actually very rare. So they're sitting about 0.3 Ethereum, and I do believe that floor price is gonna continue to go up because the community continues to grow. So what was the barrier to access in this instance? It wasn't monetary, it wasn't $40,000 like to get access to the PancakeSquad NFTs, but it was time. It was commitment, and it was willingness to put in hours in the Discord and actually be a part of the community. If there's a strong barrier to access and people are actually taking the steps that it takes to get access to mint or to pre-sale, then most of the time that means that the value of these NFTs are going to go up over time because these individuals committed something. They sacrificed something to get access to these NFTs. In the case of PancakeSquad, people were dropping tens of thousands of dollars. In the case of this other ninja collection that I own, it's actually called the Ninja Hideout. You had to put in hours of time in order to mint and the floor price continues to rise because of that. So with any new NFT collection that you're looking at, you might as well look at what people had to go through to get access to mint or to pre-sale if it's already on the secondary market, or if it's a new collection coming out and there's going to be a pre-sale coming up, you have to look at the steps it's going to take in order to get access and see if people are actually willing to do it. Because if people are willing to do it, that means that once they have those NFTs, they're not gonna wanna sell them immediately for a profit, they're gonna wanna hold. And if the entire collection holds and other people wanna still buy, that's how the price continues to go up. It's supply and demand. It's just an interesting game of supply and demand at that point, and that's how all these NFT collections work. Now, if there's no work involved, if it's just you go onto the website and you immediately mint, well, most of the time you're paying 0.05 Ethereum, and then the floor price goes down. You lose money. You might be able to hold a very cool JPEG, but you're not making money. So if the point of you getting into NFTs is to make money, one of the things you should be looking for is a high barrier to access. So if you like this video, if you like this quick tip, make sure to hit that red subscribe button, like button, bell notification, all of that. I will be releasing more and more of these types of videos as I continue my journey with NFTs and learning about NFTs, the DeFi space, crypto. I'll be talking about some more entrepreneurial stuff in my videos moving forward, some more personal finance stuff as well. So if you like that, make sure to hit that red subscribe button, bell notification, all of that, so you know when I'm releasing my videos. I appreciate you being here. The only other thing I have left for you to do is to go out there, have a great day, and I promise I'll be talking to you soon.